Hello student, very warm good morning to all of you. Today we will study about the vegetative propagation, reproduction also. That is also part of the sexual reproduction. Here we will study about the vegetative means the vegetative means body. Vegetative propagation या vegetative reproduction, that means we can grow new plants, we can form the new offsprings, any body parts of that plant. So that is called a vegetable. Here also written a definition of the vegetative propagation. It is the mode of reproduction in which new plants are formed from vegetative propagules, vegetative parts of the plant, like root, stem, and leaves also can grow the new plants. So it means vegetative propagation means we can grow new plants. We can form new offspring in their parental body, any parts of the parental body. So that will called a vegetative propagation. Here, vegetative propagation also two types generally. First one is the natural vegetative propagation, then that is the artificial vegetative propagation. Naturally means without any use tool and techniques, help of the human being. That will be not a man-made. It will be naturally and not need to any tool and techniques. Without tool and techniques, body parts can grow new plants. Body parts can form the new offspring of that plant. Here there are three parts. Mainly three parts can grow of vegetative propagation. First one is the bileaved. Bileaved example is the Bryophyllene, Virginia. That is the because here leaves of the Bryophyllum like that leaves are here like, and their leaf margin are from the bud. These are the margin, and these margin from the new like bud like that, and these buds then develop into new plants. So that is called that is the mode of vegetative propagation by the leaves. Here also by the stem also. Here by stem also, that is the rhizome and tubers, also bulbs and bulbils. Okay, but by stem, if you will grow new plants from the by the stem, so there first should be in their stem have a node. Without node, plants will not form the new plants. It means without node, bud will not form there, neither from the root nor from the shoot. So it will first is there should be a node in their stem. Node means like suppose that is the stem, so there should be node like that here. So that is the node. If there is any potato like that, there should be the node like that. Okay, then these node from the bud and then from the new plant. So rhizome, that is the ginger that is ginger stem, that is called a rhizome, and they can form the new plants. Tubers, potato also, that is the modified from the stem, and that is called tubers, and they form the and will be there in the bud, so they can form new plants. Bulbs also, like onion also underground stem is there, that is the bulbs, and they can form the new plant. Bulbs have again that is the underground, and also that bulbs come from the new plants. Okay, so next is the by roots. Root also same thing there. There should be the there should be have but there should have a node, and they can then node can form the new plants. So radish, carrot, sugar beet, etc. So next one is the next type is here. That is the artificial vegetative propagation. Artificial vegetative propagation means with the help of the ये with the help of the tool and techniques, some techniques at there, and also by the human being. that technique is called man-made. So that is called a artificial vegetative propagation. So vegetative propagation also two types, macro propagation या macro vegetative propagation, macro artificial vegetative propagation, and next one is the micro propagation या micro artificial vegetative propagation, and that is also called a tissue culture. Here first macro propagation means हो गया, means that there is also body parts, but these are the large than to the micro propagation. And first one is these are also three methods. First cutting rose हो गया, sugar cane हो गया. First we will cut the stem of the plants, and there should be there should have a buds, and these buds when we dip in the soil, so then these buds they will form the new plants, rose also, sugar also. We can grow new plants by the method of the cutting. Layering also, that is the jasmine, strawberry, raspberry. There is the plant, then that stem dip in the soil, and there should have a node, and that node under the soil from the bud also for the shoot के लिए, and also bud also for the root के लिए. So then next one is grafting. Grafting also in the higher plants, we can do that process in the higher plant also, like a mango, apple, and grapes. In the single plants, in single plant we can form the large number of variety of the plants in same plant. Okay, grafting, that is the which plants graft in the that is called a scion, and which are the root side, that is called a stalk. Okay, next one mango or apple or potato. Next one is the micro propagation, micro vegetative propagation. That is the micro vegetative propagation means that is also called tissue. We use just tissue या cell of the any meristematic and active part of the plant, okay, stem, and then that grow in the artificial, it means nutrient agar gel, and agar gel after that changing on time to time, then that from the new plants. So that is called a tissue culture also. So in this topic we have studied about the vegetative propagation and the types of vegetative propagation. There are two types of vegetative propagation: natural vegetative propagation, artificial propagation. And natural vegetative propagation also three types: by leaves, by stem, by roots. And artificial vegetative propagation also two types: macro propagation या micro vegetative propagation, and micro vegetative propagation. Macro also three types: cutting, layering, and grafting. And micro propagation means हो गया tissue culture. So we have studied all these things. So today is enough, and in this video we have studied on these things. And thank you for watching video, and share, comment, subscribe, and like also my video. Thank you.